All right, today on our tall post jack stands,
These have these caps that go on the top, and we want to lift the rear, but we just don't feel safe with that's not much of a bevel on this.
No, it's not.
So what we plan on doing, I started to grind, is we've got these small brackets we'll put on both sides. We're going to get the arc or the stick welder and put those on both sides. Just it won't let it roll off that way. So that's what we're going to do. First thing, we're going to grind it off with no paint or powder coat, whatever's on it.
Oh, you're gonna use some protection.
Oh yeah.
Watch your fingers.
It looks like that'll fit on there nicely to run a bead across. And then what we plan to do is if we ever want to take these off, we can tap this, bend it up a little bit, get a screwdriver, bend it, grind this off, and then grind it flush. There is so much steel there if we want to put it back original, but I think we'll probably end up leaving these on there.
Yeah, I don't see why not. Unless we're lifting tranny or something up, and
even if we have it that way, you still have a flat surface.
Okay.
So anyway,
We'll see.
all right.
Next step, welding.
Okay, we're all set up here.
Put a tack.
We've got all this ground off. He just tacked it.
We're gonna go now. Or attempt to go now.
Will this film that okay?
I think so. Whew. Getting hot on my finger there.
That should do it.
Whoa, look how, see how
Wow. Maybe we need to
turn down the,
Oh,
I'm on 1/8 inch. 3/16. So this is not 1/8 inch.
Nope.
That's why it's getting so hot. That's the wire. What size was that? What size is this?
That's probably, I don't know.
1/8 inch?
Probably not.
That might be 1/8 inch. Because that's 5/32, which 5/32 is one up from this. Oh look, there's 5/32, and it's way bigger than this, so.
It's not marked, so. I don't think it's...
That's 5/32. I had it way up. Oh, it's going for the size of material you're welding into. See, it's 3/16 material.
Oh. So you're going... What did you have it on?
I don't know, this is 3/32. But it was superheating this whole thing.
Yeah, I think you need the other rods, not those.
Well, this did it okay. I just didn't, I had the temperature way up too high.
Okay.
And I've taken it way down. It's only 90 amps instead of 140.
Okay.
So that is 5/32. I'm gonna say this is 3/32. Let's try 3/32, 90 amps.
Okay.
And I think that's probably on there good enough, don't
Yeah,
you?
it's on there. You could probably have it tacked in a couple places and it would be fine.
Okay. And let us reposition.
Reposition this. Spin her around. set. Another bracket. And here, if you hold this, put this on. Oh, it's still hot. That whole thing is hot. Burning hot.
Yeah, I couldn't see in my mask that it was lighting the whole rod up at the same time. So
No, I didn't know it was
it's only
either.
the second time I've used the stick welder on this. Look at your machine before you go welding, I guess.
Just tack it, and I'll take that off.
Oh, okay. You got the ground there?
Oh, sorry.
Hey, much more controlled.
All right. Say, I can do it if you can't.
I think I'm tightening. This one's going to disappear quickly.
Yep.
But that is going to weld fine. I think I got a container.
Yeah.
Scraps. Oh, maybe I fixed it.
I'll just lay it up here. Get you another. Should be good.
Oh, I'm trying to leave it there so the gas gets into it, but there's no gas.
No.
All right, I'm saying those are good.
Yep.
So smack that. Let me smack it one time. Get some slag off of her. Wash your eyes. That'll do what we want.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm just gonna let it fall to the ground.
Yes. Watch your toes.
Okay.
Next.
One down. I think I can just hold it and start it.
Yeah, I think so too. Oh, you didn't run a bead where it's split down the center.
Oh, I need to.
Yeah. Well, we'll pick that up in a minute.
Pick what up?
The one down there.
Oh, that one had a rip in it too? I think it'll still hold. It'll still cradle. Even though it's not on.
You got to hold that, you know.
I think it's going to be fine. Maybe not. Oh, needs to be ground.
Oh, keep forgetting about it.
Better tacked. I like that good. I think I did all right.
That looks pretty good.
Held on there good enough, I think.
Yeah, not bad. Good penetration.
Do one more. Do I need to do that little piece? Are you satisfied that it's going to be fine without?
It'll be fine because it isn't going to let it roll out. And not unless you absolutely want to.
I'm not the best with the
It's got to be spun around.
stick of weld.
I didn't want to try because the whole thing's too hot.
It's too hot. Too hot for your tender little hands.
Yeah. Oh. You know what? I don't even know if we put the grounded side down.
Oh, I didn't.
Where we ground it off. It's still grabbed though, so I guess we were good.
Oh, we weren't good, but it still grabbed.
Yes.
Okay. I like that there. And it's tacked. Alright, I'll run a bead on her.
If you did this every day, you'd get real good at it. When we build our rotisseries, I think we both got pretty good at it. Some nice beads. If you want, go ahead and
attack the back.
yeah, and use up the rest of your. Well, I do it from the inside on the V. Can you get to it?
Yeah, I do.
Looks like it did it. Yeah, looks like you did to me too. She's red hot, that's for sure. Yeah, that's a lot nicer weld. This will serve our purposes. Yes.
All right.
Here's your.
Is that all for?
I think so. So let those cool off.
So those will mount on here and give us a little tray.
Then we're going to lift the rear end up, straddle this, have these apart, have it on there, and then we've got two brand new leaf springs. We'll get all those attached, bring it up, lower the car down, put the front end, and we'll raise it up. Already has the bushings for the rear end. I mean, that's just how they do it on graveyard cars. So
that's right. I saw Dougie do it last night. We can do it.
Dougie did it last night, but we're not set up that good, but we'll do what we can.
All righty.
Thank you.
Bye bye for now.